So hey my loves, I'm back with yet another video, and this is just a DIY of some curtain tiebacks I made a while back. I love them. They was very easy Dollar Tree products. I hope you guys like it. Let's get into the video. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. So for this DIY, I'm going to be using this it's a pearl wrap. It kind of gives the feel of that diamond wrap Dollar Tree usually has, but it's pearls instead. Yeah. It's 4 feet and it's a silver color. It kind of looks white, but it's silver. There is no adhesive on it, so you have to place your own adhesive to it. I found these little felt rose petal pieces, and all I'm going to do is measure a piece of fabric, measure a piece of the wrap, and cut the little, forgive me, I'm going to measure a piece of the wrap, and then I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to hot glue the little felt flower petal on it. And it's just that simple, quick and easy. I'm going to do a total of 4 because I figured that I had 2 light pinks and 2 darker pinks. So I'm going to use 2 for my bedroom window and then 2 for my office window. The sizes will vary, but I cut mine all 4 of the same sizes just because I have multiple curtains at my window and I plan to add a few more panels to it, so I wanted to be able to wrap around nice and easy. Now, I was trying to figure out how I would close them up. I don't want them to completely stay closed because I like to close my panels at night. So I have to figure that out before the video's over. But I'm just going to take the hot glue and place it in the center of each of the wrap pieces. I swear these only take like 5 minutes to make. They are super easy and super cute. And to hold these together, I got some Velcro from Dollar Tree, and they actually had some little squares, which was perfect size. But they also have some that you can cut to fit whatever you need, and it sticks perfectly. I hot glued them to the back, and voila, here are my tiebacks. Didn't cost me no more than $2.50. Didn't take me no more than 10 minutes to make. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.